Hey, what's up, guys? So another update. We finally got the clutch, and we're gonna make sure everything fits right now. So we're gonna make sure everything fits and hope everything works, and then we'll be ready to put that in the Civic. It's a, what stage is it? Stage 4?
4.
It's a stage 4 6-puck, no springs, so it's gonna be heavy foot. Pressure plate doesn't look too bad. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Gonna mount it to the XD flywheel, and then I might sell the B20 that's over here. My buddy might pick it up to do a B20 VTEC. The only thing, the head might be no good. Have one of those like chip valves because compression was low on one, and I did a cylinder leak down test, and it came out to be part of the head itself. The block didn't burn or leak any oil, so my buddy might pick it up today, and he might take that to do B20 VTEC. So we're gonna check if the clutch fits, so maybe do a timeline. So just waiting for my buddy now. I might start taking off the head off this because he wants to see what the bottom block looks like, but he hasn't texted me yet, so if we do, I'll throw that on the video as well. and temperature sensor and the fan switch for the K series swap, because I'm gonna need those for the swap on the CRV. Bottom block looks good. You can still see the honing edges, probably got rebuilt recently. I took it apart because the head, I did a leak down test on the head and it was leaking from there, so, and my buddy wanted to get the motor so you can do B20 VTEC like I said previously. So that's gonna be it. This head's probably going to the trash.